microneedling treatment at home. I'm going to walk you through how I do it start to finish. I've got numbing cream on. I use the J. Kane 10.56% numbing cream. It's been on about 30 minutes. You're going to double cleanse. I'm going to mix the handheld hyaluronic acid. I love this hyaluronic acid because it's loaded with growth factors, peptides, I cannot feel my face, copper tripeptide, panthenol, and elastin to help with your skin barrier. Anytime that I use one of just the handheld slip agents, I always mix it with HA just to thicken it. So tonight I'm going to use the Handheal Exosome Rejuvenation Booster. Handheal Exosome comes with two different parts. You've got your powder and then your liquid. So I'm going to open both of these and combine them. It just pops off. I'm going to pour the liquid into the powder. And then I've got the Handheal hyaluronic acid. I'm going to pour that into a sterilized bowl. That is mixed. I'm going to pour it in with the hyaluronic acid. I'm going to wipe the numbing cream off first. I'm going to use an oil cleanser. And then I'm going to do a foaming cleanser. I am using a disposable washcloth. Now I'm going to wipe my face down with alcohol. I use the White Rabbit cotton pads and just 70% alcohol. I'm going to clean my hands with alcohol. This is a clean procedure, so you can wear gloves. It's my skin. I know it's clean, but you do you. I'm going to use the 12-pin cartridge in my Dr. Pin M8S. All of this has been cleaned with alcohol. The skin on your forehead is pretty thin, so I'm going to go fairly light there. I'm going to start at 0.75. I'm going to work in sections, so I'm going to apply my slip agent. I like using speed 6. It's got a little dial that you can turn to the depth that you want. We're going to do 3 passes. We're going to go vertical, horizontal, and circular. I'm not pushing the pen at all. I'm letting it do all the work. And I make sure that I have enough glide that it just glides effortlessly. While I've got my glide on there, I'm going to go up to a 1.0 and stamp. Now back to 0.75. Do you hear that? Sometimes it gets some liquid up in there, and that is okay. It's not going to affect it. Just take your time. Cover everything evenly. Okay, now I'm going to stamp it a 1. Takes a little while to work that fluid out of there. I think for my temples, I'm going to do 1 and see how we do. Oh yeah, that's fine. Since I'm going a little deeper today, I'm going to do my crow's feet at 0.75, but then under the eye, I'm going to do 0.5. You want to stay outside of that orbital bone. And then for under the eye, I'm going to do 0.5, but you still stay outside of that orbital bone. I am going to pull the skin down. I'm also going to do my eyelids above that orbital bone. Like you can see where I'm on the bone. I did that at 0.5. Now I'm going to go back to 0.75 and do my crow's feet. Now I'm going to go back to 0.5. Cheeks, I'm going to go pretty deep at 1.75, I think. Do my nose. It's my least favorite part. Really hate doing my nose. And I'm going to try 0.75. I may have to go down to 0.5. I think I just hate the vibration. I'm going to do my chin at 1.5. I'm going to do my upper lip and my smile lines, and I'm going to do those at 1.25. Now for my lips, I'm going to turn it down to 0.75. If you have lip filler, I do not recommend this. I'm going to go back and stamp my smile lines at a 1.75. And that is my face. Microneedling is one of my favorite things to help build collagen at home.